But let's talk chocolate, okay?
So you have created just an astonishing
emphasis on success and independence, and this overarching goal and question of how does this make me look? And we expect these two to fuse together and birth meaningful connection.
Culture is screaming at us that we need to wait to celebrate, to be in relationship, to open our doors.
Real quick, I want you each to give me 5 seconds. 5 second.
The average American meal 100 years ago was 90 minutes long.
Well, I do.
You do. Good for you. Good for you. Get it.